Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make unicorn bento lunch box. My daughter is going to graduate from kindergarten in 7 days, so I asked her what she wants. Then she answered unicorn bento lunch box. Dreamy color of unicorn is just perfect for graduation. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. First, you want to draw a rough sketch so that you can focus on what you're making in a busy morning. You can cut out some of the parts night before to save time. Cheese, nori sheet, ham, fish cake. Instead of making colored egg crepes, it will be wise to use colored Kamaboko fish cakes in some cases. Not only the nori sheet, you can use kombu kelp for the face parts. Now in the next morning, start packing rice and side dishes. Deco Furi is rice seasoning to color the rice. It's just as tasty as regular rice seasoning, furikake. Chikuwa cucumber is kids' favorite. Start decorating the rice when the rice is cold, otherwise she's gonna melt. I receive a lot of questions. Basically, we eat bento without heating, so you want to place the dishes that are good to eat cold. Flour sausages are easy lifesaver. I almost always make this for my kids' bento lunchbox. You just need to microwave for a few seconds to open the flowers. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.上手。
つかみたい。つかんでみたい。こうやって、えい。